You know what's crazy? No matter how far you've gone, no matter how many times you've messed up, God still has his arms wide open for you. That right there, it changes everything because so many of us walk around thinking we've gone too far, like somehow we've crossed the line that God won't step over, but that's just not true. I just want to talk about this because I know what it feels like to carry shame, to feel like you've let God down one too many times. And if you're anything like me, you've had those moments where you thought, he doesn't want me back. But here's the truth, he's been waiting for you, not with punishment in his hands, but with love. The kind of love that welcomes you home every single time. The problem is, life has a way of convincing us that our mistakes define us. Maybe you've made choices you regret. Maybe you've turned your back on what you knew was right. Maybe you've been trying to fill a hole with everything but God, and now you feel empty. And the enemy loves to whisper in your ear, see, you don't belong anymore. You're too far gone. And if we're honest, sometimes we start to believe it. That's when guilt becomes this heavy weight we carry around, keeping us from running back to the very one who can set us free. But let me tell you a story. You've probably heard about the prodigal son. This young man thought he'd be better off without his father, so he left home, wasted everything, and ended up at rock bottom. And when he finally came to his senses, he decided to go back, but he rehearsed this whole speech about how he wasn't worthy anymore, how he just settled for being a servant. But when his father saw him from a distance, he didn't wait, he ran. He wrapped his arms around his son and celebrated that he was home. That's the picture of God's heart for you. He doesn't want you to crawl back. He wants you running into his arms because he never stopped loving you. Here's the moment I want you to grab hold of. God's not waiting for you to clean yourself up before you come back. He's not asking you to earn your way into his love. He's already proved his love at the cross. And that same love says, come as you are. I've got you. I forgive you. I welcome you. That's powerful because it means your past doesn't get the final word. God's grace does. And when you finally let that sink in, you realize you don't have to keep running away or hiding in your shame. You can step into his embrace right now. So if you're listening and you've been carrying that weight, let it go. He's not rejecting you. He's welcoming you back with open arms. That's who he is. That's what he does. And I just want to leave you with this. Don't wait another day to accept that love. Run back to him. He's already running toward you. If this spoke to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more videos like this. And if you know someone who needs this reminder, share it with them. You never know how much of a difference it could make in their life. And hey, don't just stop here. Take a moment to check out more of the videos on my channel. I promise you, you'll find encouragement, hope, and reminders of God's love that you can hold on to and share it with a friend who might need it too, because we're all walking through something. Thanks for spending this time with me. Here, your growth matters. I'll see you in the next video.